morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Hope all is well. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I want to give a special shout out to Arthur in Lexington, Pennsylvania. The other day, he graciously blessed me with an awesome, huge donation to the postage fund, and I'm sending him out a nice care package. It's going to include an official brand new Pipe Doctor hat, a couple pens, some stickers, and just really want to thank Arthur from Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for your love. Appreciate it. So, first service call of the day. We're going to replace some condensate drain lines on a real hacked install, not too far from the shop in Valley Stream. She had this system replaced last summer, and there's problems with it already. It's just disgusting and gross. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it. Make sure you thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. And if you would like a t-shirt or other Pipe Doctor paraphernalia, email me, Mike at mikeypipes.com. Appreciate it. But first, let me tell you what really sucks about being right down the block from a scrap metal shop yard. Mondays and Thursdays is garbage day. And usually Wednesday afternoon, we put out the garbage. And usually when I arrive Thursday, the bags are all shredded and ripped open, and there's garbage all over the place because they're looking for metal. And I'm a nice guy. I leave all the metal outside. Like, there's a piece of metal sitting right there, which is part of that Fujitsu condenser we removed yesterday, right? I'm a nice guy. I leave the metal out. And whatever scrap I'm not going to put into my own yard. But these guys, they rip open the bags and they leave a mess. A huge mess. Now look, he's looking for more. Did he take the piece of metal? No, he doesn't. And he tears open the bags and he bicycles away. Not very nice. Not very nice. To him and others, listen, clean up after yourselves. Don't leave a mess for others to clean up. Not cool. All right, it's 7:05, and I told Ethy, a.k.a. Sippy Cup, to be here at 7:05. Anyway, here's that piece of metal. I'm going to leave it right there. Maybe someone will take it. Maybe not. Let's see what time Sippy Cup shows up. Timer flash 7 times. BTU system. You ain't testing. You're guessing. We have a nickname for you, by the way.
What is it?
It's a very good nickname. You're late, by the way.
Yeah, by a minute.
No, it's at 7:05.
I said 7:30. You said yeah.
Your new nickname.
Sleepy Ethy.
Nope.
That was my old one?
That was your old one. Your new nickname is called Sippy Cup.
Sippy Cup.
Sippy Cup.
Why? Because I need to be fed? Everything? I don't get it. Why? Sippy Cup is for the purpose of me being able to feed myself.
Maybe. It's open for interpretation.
Okay.
But your name is Sippy Cup. All right. Let's go say hi to that lady's condensate drain.
That lady.
Of course, our luck. We're going to be stuck at this thing, but might as well put it in park. That is what you call a Taj Mahal. Wow. Love it. They must have 2 properties there. All right. We're pulling up to the job. Stay tuned. We're going to go inside with it in a minute. See, she's dripping. Let me show you what's going on here. Oh, look at that. He's holding the ladder. Smart. So, there's the emergency drain. ABS, 1/2 inch, by the way. And inside of that hole, right there, is the other one. All right, let me go show you the area. All right, this way. All right, let me get the ladder. We're gonna get up into that little hatch. All right. They replaced the equipment, all right, but they left the old drain line. So we have somewhat of a floor here. Looks like he did all the flex too. All right. Interesting. Half inch. Sorry, 3/4. Which he then transitions to ABS. He was lazy. So the primary is what fell out. Comfort air. Nice plenum work there. Let's take a further look. Inspection. Let's see. All right. The land of, oh, look what he did. Left all the ductboard there. The old ductwork. Nice tear in the return. All right. Oh no, this is the old one. He left it here. Let's move this out of the way because I need to get it over there. It's like a balancing act, I swear. Okay. Get out of the way. All right, so all the way over there, the drain popped out when he moved the stuff around at the end of last summer. And when she turned it on, it's leaking from the soffit. What the hell? Oh. Interesting, I touched it, it turned off. Hopefully it's at temperature. Alright, let's go run some PVC. Easy peasy. Disgusting, though, look at this. You left the old line set. What do you want to bet he flushed out the coil? I mean the line set. Look at that. The old line set. There's condensation all over it, dripping onto the insulation from 1960. Unbelievable, the hackery. All right, I just drilled out that hole a little bit. Now I'm gonna make my way over there. And I threw in a length of 3/4. See it over there? I'm gonna have to go over there and try to get it. Careful balancing act here. Let me squeeze in there. Look at all that damage to the soffit there. See? Condensate's been just dripping there. Alright, got the pipe, but you got a hornet's nest right there. See, that is active all the way over there. Let me steer clear of that. Alright, back outside. Hold that ladder, pick up. Alright, I'm gonna fix that too. Alright, let's make our way outside. Alright, got another foot left here. So let me throw on this elbow and push this right next to the gutter and then connect, make my connections inside. Alright, there's that 10-foot length of 3/4 PVC. I put some tape on the end before I shoved it into the hole to make sure no debris gets in there. I'm gonna take off the tape, got my glue and primer, extend this straight out, make a turn, and then connect. It's not even 8 o'clock in the morning and I am dripping, sweating in this attic. All right, there's my coupling, my second length of 10-inch 3/4. Just carefully, be like a ballerina. I can feel the air blowing out of there, feels good. I need another length of pipe. All right, I made my turn. I took a 2x4 and put it vertical, so I have some good pitch. I think I'm just gonna take a zip tie here, a couple of zip ties, secure that to the bottom of the unistrut, and then continue on. And I'm gonna replace the trap. I'm gonna put in a clear trap right there, and throw in a union right there. That's what I'm gonna do. Just ran out of fittings though. And good luck retelling Sippy Cup to get things, but let's go give him some instruction. There he is, there's Sippy Cup. What'd you ask? What am I doing up here?
How are you doing up there?
Bro, I'm rebuilding Rome.
You're rebuilding Rome.
Rebuilding Rome. Dead ass.
Where's the
Saint Mike makes it happen.
Where's the Leaning Tower of Pisa?
Leaning Tower of Pisa, well, no, that's behind me. I'm really confused. What the F is up with that? They don't have tappings coming out of the unit. It's just put together with 2 rubber washers and it's just floating in there. Like, even this one's kind of loose. I went to just take the trap out and it fell apart in my hand. Wow, I've seen it all now. Like, where did the nut go? It's not here. Like, there's no nut there. What the f... Oh man, oh man, oh man. A lot of condensation in there too. Stupid heat controller. Comfort air. All right, I took one of the plastic rings that are on one of those float switches that I had in the truck. So now my flow switch is basically worthless. So she bought a flow switch for the plastic retention ring that holds this female adapter through the plastic condensate drain pan. I put a new clear trap in there, and we run it there to a 3/4 inch PVC union, 90-degree turn there, and all in all we have about 23 feet of 3/4 PVC. And I took a souvenir. I have a souvenir. I got some water in the pan for when I change that out, but everything else is good. Just about full of condensate. Sippy Cup, find a water bottle of water, right? Because I need to test the drain. I'll send Sippy Cup to the truck. We have water bottles there, filled with water. We'll test this drain, make sure she drains outside well. What do we have here? Paperwork that came with this thing. Yep. So it's almost 8:30 in the morning. I got here at around 7:20, and basically I have Sippy Cup just yeah. We have water bottles in the truck. Yeah, look in the front, the top, like on the dashboard. Somewhere in the truck there's a core water bottle. It's filled with water. Well, give me that. You have a picture of water? Give it to me. A picture of water. Brita? Okay, I guess that'll work. It'll have to work. All right, let's a little balancing act right there. Oh, let's see. I want to test this drain. The problem with this is water's going everywhere. All right, that should be enough. We should have water flowing outside now. And it works. All right, our water is dripping there. I'm gonna pull this out a little bit more. Okay, I pull that out. All right, our condensate is draining. We have this leaf guard there. All right. You know, I call a spade a spade. Generally, I tell it like it is. And she was literally driving me crazy. She was. But I also, at the same time, I feel bad for her. Because she told me she paid over $10,000 for that install. Right? They left the old line set there. They left the old ductwork there. They left the old original, you know, condensate drain lines there. And when he connected it, you know, the pipe popped out.
And she's just living in pure filth.
Yeah, she needs, you know,
she needs a little bit of a cleaning.
She needs a spring cleaning. She needs a spring cleaning, you know, but whatever. A nice lady, but, you know, just feel bad, you know. Let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. Be well, God bless, stay safe.